If you need to clear results in SurveyMonkey, this video will walk you through two simple methods. First, I'll show you how to delete individual responses one by one. Then I'll show you how to clear all responses from a collector, which is the faster option when you want to reset everything at once. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides. Let's jump in. Start by going to SurveyMonkey and signing into your account. Once you're on the homepage, click into the survey you want to manage. This is important because response controls are tied to the specific survey, so make sure you've selected the right one before you continue. For the first method, we're going to delete individual responses. From your survey dashboard, click Analyze Results. This opens the results area where SurveyMonkey stores all of your collected answers. In the results view, switch to individual responses. This section lets you review each submission separately, which is helpful if you only want to remove a few entries instead of wiping everything. When you find the response you want to remove, look for the delete icon next to it. Click that delete icon, then confirm by selecting Delete Response. SurveyMonkey will remove that specific entry from your dataset. You can repeat this process for any other responses you want to clear individually. This is the safest option if you only need to clean up a handful of test submissions or incorrect responses. Now let's move to the second method, which deletes all responses from a collector. This is the better choice if you want to completely reset the survey responses connected to one distribution source. From the results area, click Publish Survey, then go to the collector that you used to gather responses. You'll usually see a list of collectors, and next to the one you want, click the three dots menu. In that menu, choose Delete All Responses. SurveyMonkey will ask you to confirm this action, so review the prompt carefully before proceeding. If you're sure you want to remove every response tied to that collector, click Delete. Once confirmed, all collected responses for that source will be cleared. So to recap, if you only need to remove a few entries, use individual responses and delete them one at a time. If you want a full reset, go to the collector and delete all responses from there. Either way, you now know how to clear results in SurveyMonkey quickly and safely. If this video helped, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.